Hey guys, in this video I want to show you a really cool Google Map scraping service. So if you are on the hunt for new leads or you need specific data extracted from Google Maps or different other services, then I think I found the perfect service for you or the perfect application for you. So here right now I am on the website and you can see here is a Google Map Scraper, and this Google Map Scraper offers us monthly amount of scrapes we can do with this application. So here you can see everything you can do with this, and here you have all the options and all the settings you can make. So this is you can do a lot of different settings and adjustments you can make here in this application. For example, here if you're searching for restaurants, for example, in a specific area, then you can put in your keyword, or you can put more than one keyword in here. Simply click here on add, then you can specify another keyword, and here you can set the location, and here you can set the number of data sheets you want to extract from Google Maps. You can set the languages, you can set the categories, and so many different other categories or settings you can make here, reviews, images, and so on. You can simply create a free account, and then you can see down below here you have 8 gigabytes of memory storage. You get every month you get $5 of free usage, so it resets every month resets, and then you can use the different apps. Of course, if you want to scrape a large amount, then you have to sign up for a paid plan. But if you only want to scrape, I don't know, a few hundred results per month, or you need a few hundred data sheets per month, then I think the free plan is more than enough. Now I want to show you how this works, and also if you want to implement these API or these scraping functions with an API into your own application. So if you created your own application and you need an reliable API or a reliable scraping service for Google Maps in this case, then you simply can click here on the API, and then you will get your API key, and then you can implement this API key, your custom API key, into your application. And this is really cool. And also they offering a ton of different other applications for scraping and data extraction. And the service is really cool, and I put all the links to this in the video description down below, so you can check it out. Go to the video description there. You will find the link to this app and also to this service. And and also you have scheduled tasks. So when you want to schedule this, when you want to run this at a specific time, at a specific date, then you can set this up here. You can manage your storage. If you want to have different proxies, then you can import, or you can set different proxies here, proxy servers. So here you can see also how much it costs. So you can see $5 per 1,000 places. So I think this is pretty fair. And keep in mind that you have $5 free every month. So $5 will get you, I don't know, 1,200 data sheets scraped from Google Maps. And I think this is pretty fair if you need this for lead generation or something like this, and then you will get a ton of free leads. You can see, $5 or $4 per 1,000 places. I think this is pretty fair. Then let's test it out, and also you can export all the data. So then let's test it out. I want to extract in this demonstration, not restaurant, roofing companies. So let's put in roofing company, and then let's leave New York, USA here, and then let's put it for this task to 30 results. And then let's leave this on English, English. leave this on English. Let's go to add-ons. So what's here? Place categories. So yeah, I don't want to have this additional place details, scrapings, scrape places, web results. No, we don't want web results. I think, yeah, this is everything is okay without search terms or URLs. Let's leave this. Yeah, and then we can simply click on save and start. Let's do this. So save and start. And now the scraping process is running. You can see here. Of course, this takes a little bit of time. You can see the duration, 10 seconds. And yeah, so here are our results. And here you can see we get all the details from, yeah, from Google Maps. You can see the company names, under place names, the score, so the ratings of the companies, what's this? Review count, the city, state, country, the websites. We get the websites and URL, and I think we get also the emails. We can view it as a table format or as JSON format. So if you want to import these data later on in another application, we can print it out as a JSON format. But yeah, so here you can see exported 30 results. And then, yeah, we can also, we can save this somewhere. What this? Yes, agree. I don't know what this was. And somewhere we can export this table view. Maybe it is, or share. Let's click here on table view. No, table view. I cannot find where we can export this. Damn it. Let me see. Or if go to share, then okay, here we have the URL where we can share this with yeah, in an email or something like this, and they can visit us. Let's click here, maybe in here. Let's see. So okay, this is yeah, I don't know. I cannot find the button where to export this. And also here you can see the pricing, how expensive this was. So it is 12 cents, and I think, yeah, 12 cents is relatively fair. So this is really cheap. Yeah, and this is yeah, this is everything what I want to show you in this video. So yeah, now you know exactly how to scrape Google Maps for completely free, how you can extract all the data, all the leads from Google Maps. And yeah, you can play around with it. You can see that it was relatively cheap, 12 cents or yeah, 13 cents. And yeah, this is really fair if you need Google Maps data or new leads from Google Maps. And yeah, I will put all the links in the video description down below. Check it out and play around with it. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions, what your experience are, how you like the service. And yeah, so that's it for the video. And if you found the video informative, if you like the content, then yeah, please press the thumbs up button. And also I would appreciate if you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I am, yeah, I'm a small creator, and for me, every subscription counts, every thumbs up counts. And yeah, then thank you very much for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye, guys.